Okay, calculus people, we're going to talk about concavity of a curve. Okay, so we've got two concavities of a curve. The first one that I drew here, kind of in blue, okay, this one we call concave down because it looks like a cup that kind of is upside down. So this is concave down. Okay, and this next one, as you can tell, it is concave up. It looks like a cup holding something, so it's concave up. At least that's what I call it. Okay, positive, whatever. Now, if I look at this curve, notice the first part here, this is, what would you call that? Up or down? Right, that's down. This is concave down until I get to this point here in the middle. We call that a point of inflection. Okay, this is a point of inflection. Or a critical point. I might be using some old words. And then this part over here, notice how it is now concave up. You kind of with me? So the first part, that's in pink now, concave down, because if you look at it, it's like half of an upside down cup. And then the blue one is concave up. Okay, so then we also can have curves that have multiple things. Okay, so if I look at this and I start drawing and I'm like, oh yeah, right there is where it stops being concave up. And it starts being concave down. Notice down. Here, this is the point of inflection, or the critical point where it turns from being up to down, right there. Okay, and then here's another one, sort of bad drawing. I can't really draw very well. So this is another critical point. And then this part over here is our concave up, and it stays concave up over there. Now, our second derivative helps us figure out this concave up, concave down thing and these critical points. And so the next video, we'll talk about how do we find those things. So that's all about the second derivative. So that's what we're going to start getting into, is what does the second derivative tell us? All right, keep watching videos.